a smart city. Light up the window of marketing. JAV Multimedia Information Publishing Terminal. High-definition large-screen dynamic presentation. Immersive experience from now on. Ultra-thin body design. Aluminum alloy frame technology. 4mm tempered glass. The machine is sturdy and durable, explosion-proof and scratch-proof. High-definition LCD large screen, high-quality restoration of natural colors. 178-degree super-wide view angle. The oblique angle is still clearly visible. Low power consumption, long life, 7 by 24 hours of uninterrupted use. Powerful quad-core processor. Android 1GB plus 16GB, 4GB plus 32GB industry high configuration. Use smoothly. Insert the USB flash drive. The advertisement pictures will be played automatically in a loop, and a picture rotation interval can be set. Support mobile phone, iPad, computer remote advertising, visual content editing. Publish anytime and anywhere. Do not miss any business opportunities. Cloud intelligent management background, remote management of publishing content, switching time, volume, different regions, unified management, easy control of hundreds of terminal devices. Smart split screen, custom multi-screen layout. Support multiple media formats such as video, picture, audio, live broadcast, web page, etc. Enrich advertising elements. Support custom logo, date, time, weather, rolling subtitles, etc. Diversified presentation of program broadcasts. A variety of versions are available to meet different industry application scenarios. Android network version, Android touch version, Windows network version, Windows touch version. Whether it is visual presentation or interactive experience, can be perfectly competent. It also supports logo customization, configuration customization, and cell phone APK compatibility testing to meet customization needs. JAV multimedia information terminals are widely used in government and enterprises, supermarkets, hotels, hospitals, finance, real estate, and other fields. One-stop service for multimedia information publishing terminal, delivering all-round advertising information. JAV focuses on quality and serves all over the world.